What's up, YouTube? Gonna make a quick video on these Govee light bars I use for my aquarium. So these light bars are super simple to set up. It's like a frosted face, so it distributes light real evenly. It has two wires, of course, for each light, so it's separate. You can move one to the other wherever you want to put them at. Our wire is pretty long. I couldn't give you the exact measurement, but it's pretty long. So the wires for the lights, they come in and they go into this control box here. So you got your power, and then your middle button changes the color. So you got your red, greens, and blues, and everything in between. And the white, you can change the white temperature from like a cool white to a warm white within the app. And right now I have it on cool white, and it is super bright. It's awesome. The last button towards the bottom changes the mode of the light. So as you can see, each section has it where you can change different colors. And I really wanted a light that could do that, so that way it could create like a lightning effect at night. And that's what I was looking for. And of course, to get that out of an aquarium light, you're gonna spend more than $100. And I thought, you know, cheaper way would do it would be to buy a regular hood with no light bulb and then get LED strips and do it. But even doing that route, it was still going to be closer to $100. So these Govee light bars, they're around $60. They were great, especially for what I wanted to do, create like a lightning effect at night. It just works great. And you can see how each section you could change the color. Man, these lights are super bright. Super easy to set up too. You just plug them in, put power to the control box, turn it on, and everything's set up. If you want to change like the brightness and, you know, the color temperature of the light, any color you can imagine, you could do it. Just go onto the Govee app, and you can make any color you want, do any kind of effect, all kinds of crazy effects. For about 60 bucks, yeah, you can't beat it. And these lights are super bright. It makes this aquarium look great. I had some cheap little LED lights in there. It did the job, but it just blows them out of the water. So if you're looking for an alternative for having a bright white to RGB to cool crazy effects, I'd recommend these Govee light bars. You know, they advertise them for using them on your TVs or your game consoles or, you know, PCs, but I really recommend them using for your aquarium. And if you got a hood with your incandescent bulb, I would take the incandescent bulb out, put these in it, so that way you don't have the light on the wall. And all that light would go into your tank, and it'd probably be a little bit brighter. Probably not, but if you don't like the light on the wall, I do, because it's in my living room, so at night, you know, I get a little bit of light from the tank. That way my living room is not pitch black at night. But yeah, these lights definitely worth the money. Super easy to set up. So if you have any questions or concerns, drop a comment in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply. If you need help setting them up or anything like that, I'm pretty sure you can find a video. They're super easy to set up. I'll leave a link to these lights in the description, so that way you can find them a lot faster than just searching around. These, you do have to get the ones that say pros, I believe, and they're the ones that have Google capability, Alexa, and Siri. And that's the one I wanted, just so that way I could customize it more, just so that I could tell it to turn the lights on and off. On the app, you can set schedules for like times, you know, turn on, off, different modes, when to turn that mode on, when to turn that mode off, change it back to a color. So you may not need the Google capability or Alexa capability, so it could save you a little bit of money. But the ones I got are the pros, so I do have the Google and Siri capability. But yeah, thanks for watching. If I did a good job or a decent job, drop a like, let me know. If I did terrible, I'll understand. I'm not good at making YouTube videos. So anyways, thanks again, guys.